Are you feeling weighed down by life's challenges and uncertainties? Discover how faith can guide you through tough times and bring peace to your heart. Stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more uplifting messages. I understand that life on this earth can be tough and filled with uncertainty, where trials can test your faith. But I want you to know that throughout these challenges, I will never leave you. Trust in me and the plans I have for you, because I am always by your side, working for your good and the good of all who love me. Do not worry about tomorrow or today, because in me your future is secure. I have preordained your success, not failure. Just trust in me, and I will direct your paths. Remember, true prosperity and success are not found solely in material wealth. Do not focus on earthly treasures, but prioritize seeking my kingdom and my righteousness. Hold on to my word and treasure it deeply. I assure you that everything else will follow, for I will fulfill every desire of your heart. I will make real everything you have dreamed and longed for as a reward for your efforts. Having received my blessings, it is my desire that you become a conduit of blessings for others. Share generously what you have received by grace, always being kind and generous. So, dear child, draw near to me, find rest in my embrace, and I will strengthen you. I will make you wise and courageous. Do not hesitate to entrust everything to my care. Trust in me, I promise that no difficulty will overcome you. Do not be discouraged when trials arise, for they will strengthen your faith and remind you to place your complete trust in me. Whenever you encounter struggles, trials, or challenges, reach out to me. I promise to respond, providing you with wisdom and guidance to conquer any difficulty. I will open doors that seemed closed and guide you toward opportunities that will enrich your life in ways you never anticipated. If this message resonates with you, please subscribe to our channel for more inspirational content and share this video with your loved ones. Let's spread hope together. Once again, I urge you to entrust everything to me, your finances, your dreams, your aspirations. You will witness how I bless your efforts in every project you undertake. Remember that I am the sovereign owner of all. My provision is designed to bless you and ensure prosperity in every aspect of life. I will make sure that everything goes well for you. There will be peace in your family, health in your body, and joy in your emotions. You will experience love and give love because I will always be with you as a constant reminder of my complete and enduring love that envelopes every part of your existence. Trust in me and let me guide you, my beloved child. I will lead you along paths of righteousness and into realms of abundance. I will never leave you. You are my precious treasure, the apple of my eye. I am always by your side. Do not fear the future, for my plans for you are filled with hope. Walk with me in faith and fulfillment, and you will see how I transform your life and fill it with incredible blessings. I am your God, your Father, and your provider. Trust in me, and your path will be prosperous. Let these words resonate within you and strengthen your faith. Witness my love manifested in the blessings that will flow into your life. Never question my intentions or doubt my words. Embrace them and keep them in your heart. Always maintain a spirit of gratitude for what you possess and for what is to come. Such gratitude will open your eyes to the abundance already present in your life and prepare you to receive even more of my blessings. Move forward with conviction, believing in the promises I have made. Be diligent and wise, but above all, do not let the challenges of life divert you from my path or allow worldly distractions to influence you. Use your gifts and talents to excel in your work and business. Act with integrity and generosity in all dealings, and you will see the fruits of your labor flourish, bringing blessings and growth in every area of your life. Proceed with faith strengthened by my Spirit, enabling you to achieve great and extraordinary feats. Beloved child, know that you are never alone. I am always with you, and today I come to clear the doubts clouding your heart. Understand that you should not worry. I have heard your prayers and am fully aware of your needs. There is no need to fear tomorrow or the challenges that may arise on your path. Live with the assurance that my promises will be fulfilled. No obstacle or enemy will hinder you if you place your trust in me. Embrace this confidence, and I assure you that all your efforts will be blessed and prosper. Set aside any feelings of discouragement and decide to claim the blessings that await you. Take steps of faith. Immerse yourself in my presence, strengthen yourself, seek me in my word and in the depths of your heart. There you will find my presence and gain a deep understanding of my teachings. Simply close your eyes, embrace the silence, and receive the blessings I have prepared for you. You are deeply loved, my child. I show you my love daily through the wonders, miracles, and signs I perform throughout the universe, giving you life, the air you breathe, and extending your days so that you may know me better. So trust and never doubt my words, for I have a great purpose for you to fulfill. Do not let doubt drag you into the shadows of insecurity, nor let fear hinder your potential. Know that I speak to you with sincerity and truth. Many times, when everything seemed lost, you reached out. I rescued you, sent my angels to protect you, and saved you from despair. In me, find your security and confidence. In me, you are destined for greatness. However, maintain your humility, for pride can lead to your downfall and obscure the path I have laid before you. Humility. If this message has touched your heart, please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos. Share this message of hope with those who need it most. Thank you for watching, and may God bless you abundantly.